Yeah. Hi.
Upside down. Coming around. I'm coming around.
Are you good? Are you good girls? Hi. Look like they're holding hands. Hi.
Ooh, almost stepped on somebody's finger.
Hi.
There they are.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, we're so good. Oh,
Goodness.
I know. Hi, Chloe. Are you looking at your sissy, Olivia? Hi, Chloe. Hi. Hi, look at that. Oh, I know. I know. It's so exciting. Are we going to go on a trip soon? Are we going to go on a trip? Are we going to go on a trip, Olivia? We're going to go see Daddy. And your new cousin, baby Lily. And your Nana and G-Daddy. And Savannah. And all kinds of people. I can't name them
Aunts
all.
and uncles, everybody.
Everybody. Everybody. You're just infatuated. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Yes. I know. I know. It's a happy playtime. At the happy playtime. Hi. Hi. I think your sissy wants you to look at her.
Mm.
I think she does.
Look at the hands he's getting her.
Oh, you going to sneeze? Ready? Ready? Who's this over here? What's that right there? No. She's like, wait a minute.
See Olivia grabbing her?
Hi, she's like, hi, sissy. Hi, it's your sissy. Hi. Hello. Hi, everybody. Don't scratch her. Don't go scratching. Well, you got yours on there, too, don't you? Oh, bless you.
Oh, God bless you.
Oh,
God bless you.
What if we do this? What if we go?
Ooh.
Let's try that again. Hi. Hi.
Aww.
Hi.
Oh.
Probably squishing your hand, huh? Was that squishing your hand? Huh? Huh? Those your sisters? Uh-huh. I think we're about done.
Bye.